You guys see these tracks? Right. Now we stop here and we take a look around us. Looks like the animal actually went further deeper into the woods. And that's where we're going. Let's go. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we are in my neighborhood in upstate New York. Today we're gonna be taking pictures of anything we see, because I believe that you can get amazing pictures anywhere, no matter where. So join me in this adventure. Me and Chris, we've been into photography for years. So if you're interested in joining me in this adventure, you're welcome to.
Brillar en las nubes sin fin. Con mi verdad puedes cruzar hoy el cielo azul.
Guys, I've been living in this neighborhood. Well, I actually went to high school, then moved to Jersey. As you guys know, I was a model for about 3 years in Jersey. I come back and forth. Now I'm here, and every time I come here, I take a walk around the neighborhood. And I take pictures of anything I find. You see that angel right there? Little angel statue? There's actually 4 statues over here, which from looking at it in person, there's nothing interesting about it. But when we put it on photography, we can make it look like it's in whatever. The first thing you guys want to do when taking a picture of anything is check the lighting. We do that by taking a picture, and then we check the picture to see how it looks. As you can see here, this picture is overexposed, so we need to raise the shutter speed. When shooting in the daytime, I like to always have the ISO and 200. So we raised the shutter speed, adjusted the ISO. Now let's see what we get. Now that we fixed the lighting, now let's shoot. Whoa. Also, guys, don't be afraid to move around your subject. So we're gonna get that background with the tree. Perfect, we got it. Let's move on to the next place. As I move into the next place, I always make sure to turn my camera off. That way I save energy. And this is what I do, guys. I walk in the neighborhood, look for interesting things to take pictures of, and that's how I practice photography when there are no clients or anything to take pictures of. birds over there, guys? Actually have a lens to capture birds like that when they're far away. Maybe next time we do it for part 2.
With my friendly friend Nick today. These are funny parts. Yo, should we do that? Include funny parts?
Yeah. Okay, guys, so we have arrived at a dead end. No trespassing zone. Let's keep going. Oh, it's private property. So somebody owns this. Okay, guys, so it's actually private property, and somebody actually owns it. So, you know, we can't go in there. It's just, it would be breaking the rules, breaking the law. I mean, if we break the laws, then we're no better than bad guys, are we? Look, guys, private property, no trespassing. Fortunately for us, the whole road isn't blocked by the fence. And we can actually just circle around this fence and go to the other side. Whoa.
You okay, buddy?
I'm trying to be. You guys see these tracks? Right. Now we stop here and we take a look around us. Looks like the animal actually went further deeper into the woods. And that's where we're going. Let's go. No, the tracks, they keep going.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it gets deeper. Guys, let's rest for a bit. Look at this flame we just found. I mean, this place right here, where we're standing right now, This is great for a camping spot. You got the logs to sit in. We can make a fire right here. Maybe take that away from there and put a tent. Anything. Guys, real fast, let me know what you think about this video down in the comment section below. And please, give this video a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And guys, I don't think we're gonna be able to take that picture of the deer today. So what we're gonna do is a part 2 of this video. Next time, we're gonna come in ready with boots and the proper lenses. Because with this lens, we're not gonna be able to capture a deer. Well, we can, but it'll be a lot harder than if we were to do it with a 200mm lens. By the way, this is a 140mm lens, which is great for portraits, not for wildlife. Thank you for staying till the end, and I'll see you next time in part 2. Peace.